What's up, y'all? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. If you know what time it is, you know what time it is. I want to say to y'all, thank you for always supporting your boy, keeping him going, keeping him motivated, and you know, it means a lot to me. With that being said, it is time to get this GTR steering wheel off. I know y'all probably like, why are you taking the GTR steering wheel off? Well, it's not a GTR. I'm a firm believer in not having GTR parts. Well, very few GTR parts, but this is like not my steez. I need a quick release because fat thighs, all that shit. But we're gonna head to NRG, get a quick release, get a hub. So join me on this ride, and we're gonna teach you how to put a steering wheel on an R34. This applies to the R33 as well. I know the R32 is different because it has the Hikes and all that nonsense, but let's just try to get this done today. Park this jalopy. The good people at NRG always taking care of your boy. What up, man?
What up, bro?
I'm trying to get like you.
What do you mean like me?
Like you, man. You chilling and like a villain.
Yeah, look at this.
This just, you know,
This
just
thing is beautiful.
oh man, I'm trying.
Hey, you already have this one. You have the 4-door. What's next?
It's a Stagia.
The ones are down to earth.
Man, they got a gang of shit in this joint, y'all. They gave me the hooks already. Young Michelin Mike came out of nowhere for the one time. Is that a green forklift? Oh my god. Somebody call OSHA on this man.
Oh, hey, Gary. Try to move this out of the way.
Oh Lord, it's Jason. He do stuff here. Car is here, secret car, whatever they got going on under there. It's nice to be able to have your sponsors let you come in here low-key after hours and install your stuff there. He gonna go grab some lights for me. Oh Lord, this man got all kind of cinematography going on.
Yo, I'm trying to get some good vibes in here. Let's see. Alright, it's good. It's very flawless.
What you think of it?
Very clean.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Not from this world.
For everybody that don't know, this is Jason from NRG. He's been helping me out for years now with all of my cars. Only trust NRG quick releases and hubs. I've tried other stuff, but flawless with NRG, and now they make a hub that you can keep your OEM horn with. So now I can keep the horn with this. And yes, the horn does work. So y'all hear that?
Wow.
So before any of y'all start, make sure one of the most important things is disconnect y'all battery from everything, because you never know with the slightest touch when you're trying to put in these, take off the steering wheel. The airbag could deploy. You wouldn't want that. It's going to be a very, very big mess. It's going to hurt. I think it's an 8, but we're going to get that first. And then there's a series of other things, a couple of bolts on each side of the steering wheel. This should apply to all Nissan steering wheels because they're pretty much the same, just different patterns. It either may be a Torx bit.
It's a 10.
It's a 10?
Yeah.
It either may be a Torx bit or a regular 10 millimeter to get these out. So I'll find out once the steering wheel chingaderas come off. Right here, there'll be 2 bolts, one on this side, and if you can see here, one on the other side. You take those 2 out, this airbag will come out, and then you'll be able to get to the, I believe it's a 19 behind here, and then from there this should come out. But there's also like a swivel. I'll show you guys when all of this comes off so it can connect to the horn button as well. Now this is the part that's important. When you disconnect this will be for your horn button. So like I said, there's a swivel behind here. So when you disconnect that connector, make sure you don't just yank it off or your horn will not work. And you do not want that. When you're in traffic, it's not going to be fun yelling at people and getting frustrated because you cannot horn at them or beep at them or whatever you got to do. So to do it, there will be a little push here, and you should be able to just unplug it. This is a 19 millimeter. Put this on there. There we go. Oh, that was easy.
That was easy.
I thought it was just gonna pop me in the face. Thank God it didn't.
All right, so your wheel is straight, right?
Yeah, it's straight.
You even have an indicator for you. That's cool. All right, so this is the hub that we use for S14, S15, R30, whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In your case, R34. Okay, so on the back of the hub, these pre-drill holes are the groove that catches the plastic that turns the clock spring. So you want to make sure they match, or else you're not turning the clock spring. So your cancellation, your turn signal cancellation are not going to, you know.
So I got to match all those holes with the holes in there?
Just 2. I believe maybe 3. I think for the S15, S14, there are only 3. For the R34s, I believe there are 1, 2, maybe 3. Yeah, just 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, easy. See those 3 plastic? It's green actually.
Oh, okay. That won't be hard at all.
1, 2, and then 3. And then that's the indicator that shows straight.
Okay.
That hole will go into this groove right here.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be fun.
And then these plastic, I'm gonna try to see if I can put it through the hole to the front.
So does this turn on? Oh,
yeah, that will turn to match. That's it right there. There you go. So that's the power for the horn. Just gonna trick that the airbag is in there. So that's all the wires gonna be hiding behind these little holes, this slot right here. And we don't need these anymore.
okay.
Just for other applications.
Nice. So if I turn this key, the airbag light won't come on?
Nope.
Oh, the battery's disconnected.
Yeah.
Boy. All right, you can try it. No airbag light? Nope.
There you go, man. Loud and clear. Get out the way. Get out the way.
You got quick release? What kind of, you got a...
We got a 2.0, that one that everybody loves.
Is that the one with the ding?
One with the... Yeah, that's the one.
All right, y'all, so this is the best part I like using about NRG wheels. You see, even though I'm using an Nardi, some of y'all may have different bolt patterns. Sometimes the top is here, but my bolts are here on the side. And I'm using a quick release, but the cool thing is they have multi-holes. So like I said, usually some of them have the star shape, but mine's are right here, so they will fit there in any pattern. You don't have to worry about buying a hub adapter or a hub space or anything, because they all will fit for this. For NRG, Momo, Nardi, Sparko, even that cheap eBay stuff we don't use around here. There we go. Oh, what's this? Forged.
Yeah, everything's made in one piece.
Damn.
Very strong.
Y'all really stepping up. Oh, don't drop that. Don't drop that shit right there. Y'all really stepping up y'all quality each year after year, huh?
Yeah, you got to.
What would you say to the haters that doubt y'all, my boy?
Just gotta use it, and then you'll know quality. Once you use it, you never go back.
Look,
Yeah.
look at me, man. Look at me.
Thank you, man. Here you go. So that's gonna be the, the connectors for the back,
Okay,
and we just plug and play from now on.
that's it.
That's it. And we're back.
There we go. So now we're on the final countdown, putting these goddamn steering wheel bolts in here.
Yeah, make sure they line up. There you go. Okay. Look at that. It looks cool.
Right?
It looks
I didn't go with any wacky colors today. Just normal black on black.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Thank you for having me here.
So how much are usually a Nardi steering wheel cost? Like,
Was it $350 starting?
starting 350?
Starting $350.
Okay.
How's that? You as a steering wheel maker, what do your steering wheels go for starting?
Like 120. You can pretty much get the whole kit for 350.
Don't be like me, kids. Don't be like me. The reason I got this, I got it on OfferUp for a good deal. Some girlfriend got cheated on by her boyfriend, and I found a flash sale. So homeboy, if you watching this, you shouldn't have cheated on your girl, because she sold it to the homie, sold it to me for not $350 at all, because I'm the ultimate barterer. I like how this makes the steering wheel come out more as well.
Right, so you're not really driving with your arms extended.
So test it. Make sure there's no steering wheel. No airbag. There we go. Blinker turns off. blinker turns off. There we go. You may be wondering why I'm running this button. It's because they take care of your boy. There we go. Yeah, this motherfucker nice now. Yeah, so if you guys are wondering, anybody running the R34, R33, S15, the NRG logo is going to go here because there's different settings for the back. Those little 3 paws that are in the back of here for the clicker blinker thing, but it's nice. It's not moving. Oh yeah, this nice. I'm ready. Oh, I can see all the gauges now, and I can move. That was the #1 thing. Oh my God. Get up. Yeah, man. My bad. If you guys are interested in an NRG hub, quick release, and steering wheel setup, I'll put the link below with the part number for this car. Thank you for watching. I hope you have fun. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, King, anytime, or you can get at NRG.
Sure, yeah. We'll be here 24/7 customer support.
Most likely you're gonna hit me up because I'm gonna hit you up faster than them because there's a multitude of people hitting them up every day. But thank you for watching. Have a cool day, and next step is to do the maintenance on here, weld the diff, and drift this motherfucker.